Welcome back to Chasing the Target. This is Mustafa reporting from Manchester. It's still overcast. अभी भी एक घंटा और है till sunset, लेकिन it's still overcast. And what an absorbing day of Test cricket. Unbelievable stuff. India put into bat from England, winning the toss again. I think ये चौथा मैच in a row है जहाँ पे Ben Stokes toss जीता and he put India into bat. अब हल्का से थोड़ा सा drizzle हो रहा है अभी. But yeah, it was an incredible day. The first session belonged to India मेरे हिसाब से. KL Rahul and Jaiswal batting it out, scoring 70-80 runs and making sure they didn't lose a wicket. उसके बाद lunch के बाद England struck. Chris Woakes came. He picked up the wicket of KL Rahul. And then Jaiswal was building a partnership with Sai Sudarshan. Jaiswal I felt कि बहुत ज़्यादा mature खेला आज. Made sure that no unnecessary shots. एक आध वो खेल रहा था ramp scoop जो भी बोलते हैं third man को, but apart from that he batted very beautifully. And with good maturity, immense maturity from Jaiswal, him and Sai Sudarshan put up a good partnership. फिर वो edge होके out हो गए. Liam Dawson bowled very well मेरे हिसाब से यार. He's an upgrade on Bashir in this series so far and बहुत अच्छी bowling करा Liam Dawson. He held a line in length, bowled pretty well. After that, in came in the captain Shubman Gill. And भाई जब Shubman Gill आया क्या reception मिली. Like Indian fans were cheering for him, the English fans were booing. He's really rattled everybody, I think, with what happened last time round. And you could see कि भाई the Indian captain is here. And he came in, he looked good, a couple of good cover drives. फिर एक shot miss कर दिया, मतलब खेले ही नहीं shot, and he got LBW. That was very unfortunate, I felt, Shubman Gill का. Unfortunate क्या, it was a silly mistake from him. Should have at least played a shot on that. And then Sai Sudarshan kept going. Rishabh Pant came in, the vice captain. Rishabh Pant came in, and that was the biggest cheer in the crowd today from the Indian side of things, because this guy has an aura, man. Rishabh Pant, unbelievable player, came out, looked very comfortable. उन्हें और Sai Sudarshan अच्छी batting कर रहे थे. I felt that Sai Sudarshan थोड़ा बहुत he was a bit cautious, extra cautious, and you could tell that he was under pressure and playing for his spot. But he still batted what the doctor ordered. I know that sometimes it looked like he was going too much into a shell, but it's test match cricket. अगर वो गलत shot खेल लिया वो time पे criticism होता था. He did play a bad shot down the leg side. Jamie Smith dropped it, so that was a life that Sai Sudarshan got. But overall अच्छी बैटिंग कर रहा था वो. ऋषभ पंत भी भाई सुकून में दिख रहा था. जब डिफेंड करना था डिफेंड, जब सिंगल निकालना निकालो, जब छक्का मारो तो भाई एट विल खेलता है ये बंदा. इसका अलग ही दिमाग चलता है. अनबिलीवेबल. आई वाज वाचिंग हिम लाइव टुडे. Very thankful and very grateful for the opportunity to see somebody like that, man. He's an unbelievable player. And then the unfortunate thing happened, man. उन्हें रिवर्स खेलने गया and वो भी जोफ्रा आर्चर को, and the bat inside edge को लग के सीधा जूता पे लगा, it hit his toe, and खून निकलना शुरू हुआ from the socks, you could see, and then it started swelling up. And I think one of his muscles, I don't know the exact word, but it was like I think one of his muscle पे लगी वहाँ पे, या bone जो बोलते हैं उसको. We'll get a proper update. He's gone for scans. It doesn't look good. I'll be very honest with you. I'll be very surprised if Rishabh Pant continues in this match, and even maybe in the series. I'm not sure. Right now, it's in the air, but मुझे नहीं लग रहा कि भाई वो खेलेगा. I spoke to a few journalists as well, and they were saying that it looks bad. It doesn't look good. It looks unfortunate. But अब देखते हैं क्या होता. That really, I think from India's point of view, it was heartbreaking, because Rishabh Pant बहुत बेहतरीन खेल रहा था, and his impact with the bat, keeping vice captain, it's unbelievable in this series. So I was very sad when I saw that, and it looked very serious. Initially, everyone was worried about the DRS, because उसको वो shot को उन लोग review कर रहे थे, because they thought LBW England, मगर बैट को लगा. मगर उसके बाद तो भाई उन्हें, he was in severe pain. He got up, he tried to walk इधर उधर, tried to run it off, it didn't run off. He looked in severe pain, and then after that you could clearly see the golf cart came and stretcher में उसको लेके गए and वापस गया वो. Jadeja came in. Jadeja batted really well. Sai Sudarshan again trapped short ball. Ben Stokes, I think he was batting pretty good, and then that moment of error where I know sometimes you have to try to score your runs, but yeah, he just hit it straight to the fielder, got caught in the trap. And when he got out, I think Shardul Thakur came in. Him and Jadeja batted very well मेरे हिसाब से. दोनों बहुत अच्छी बैटिंग करे. Especially बहुत overcast था, ठंड थी पूरा दिन, and वो टाइम पे एक घंटा अंधेरे में लाइट्स भी, फ्लड लाइट्स भी ऑन हो गए थे. वो टाइम पे बैटिंग करना इतना ईजी नहीं है, लेकिन ही बैटेड वेरी वेल. शार्दुल ठाकुर ऑल्सो वॉज स्कोरिंग रन्स. He played a few nice drives down the ground. Single double भी ले रहा था. Jadeja was also rotating the strike. He also hit a boundary. He used his feet as well. looked more aggressive than normal, Jadeja. And yeah, देखो new ball नहीं लिए उन लोग because अंधेरा था, and India started attacking and playing the spinners comfortably. So Ben Stokes said कि भाई चलो भाई. So they called off play at around 6:20, 6:23. There's still 7 to 10 minutes to play, but I think because new ball नहीं ले सकते उन लोग बोले फ़ायदा नहीं है. अब कल new ball आएगा, and the biggest update will be on Rishabh Pant. Right now it doesn't look good. Like I said, I don't think he's going to bat, but we'll see official confirmation team से जब आएगा what the exact scans are showing. India will have to see off the new ball. This partnership needs to go on, and now because the combination that you played with the extra fast bowler, you're a batsman short now, and that is nothing you could have predicted. अब आप आराम से बोल सकते हैं hindsight में कि extra batsman खिलाना था, लेकिन भैया हमको क्या पता था ऐसा होना है. Now you need your bowlers to step up. They'll have to do the job. जो भी India run बनाएंगे, the bowlers need to now step up and to take those wickets and try to minimize England's score as much as possible. And yeah, that's what अभी owners bowling पे रहेगा. कभी-कभी होता है कि the bowlers have a problem, but they get injured. This time it's a batsman, they'll have to cover for it. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it from Manchester. Tomorrow we will join you guys again on chasing the target. Live भी जाएंगे, shorts भी करेंगे, videos भी डालेंगे. This will probably come out in the morning or whenever Fazbai decides to put it. But yeah, I think overall I would say that it's been observing Test cricket, man. मेरे को तो मज़ा आया. I was just sad with the Rishabh Pant situation, but apart from that, I think I really enjoyed watching the match. मतलब सीट से मैं निकला ही नहीं यार, पूरा टाइम मैच देख रहे थे. थोड़ा बहुत वॉशरूम एंड खाने पीने के लिए, otherwise like it was absorbing stuff. And sometimes you see India in front, then England come take a wicket, then England are front, then India counter attack, partnership build हो रही है. One thing that is India will need to try and make the most of the starts that they're getting. All their top order batters like KL Rahul भी 40 मार दिया, आपके Jaiswal got to 50, Sai Sudarshan got to 50, so you need to extend that, I think, to 100 or as many runs as possible, especially when you're set, and that's something that India will need to improve on. Having said that, thank you so much everyone for joining. Make sure you're hitting the like button, subscribe button. We'll try to get you the latest from Manchester, and stay tuned to Chasing the Target.